Seems like I had a choice to make, guys. I gotta talk to you for a minute, man. I'm tempted to break into dump character, right? It's kind of funny. I took a 12-day break and I tried to break into my dump character and I couldn't say the word landfill. I laughed my ass off for about 5 minutes. I'm going to pause you and let baby boy out. Came out here to my happy place only to find that my happy spot's been upended, fittingly. Oh boy. So regarding the past couple videos in the comments, come on, Blitzy. Come on, man. Please let Daddy talk. Yeah, welcome back to the dump, John Doe. Like I said, I think you fit right in. The fellas seem to like you, and I think you fit right in. Others have told me to F you. I'm lucky you didn't say F you, Blozo. I don't fit in your landfill. I gotta quit babbling. I'm very nervous. I'm very nervous because of your comments. I've mentioned in reply to a couple comments that grace is difficult. For some people, it can be very difficult to accept a compliment, maybe for most people. And the comments you guys have left to the last couple videos have touched my heart in ways you cannot imagine. And it made me rethink things a little bit. It started with the comment by John Doe. Right, John? But like I told you in our initial dance that we had, I liked you. I do like you. I do think you'll fit right in. For a minute there, I thought maybe you were another frequenter at the landfill in disguise. And like I said, I didn't know how to take your comment. I thought you were playing with me, man. Might have been. Who are you, man? You still got me discombobulated, John Doe. Who are you, man? Okay, I'll get back on track here. The comments you guys have left to the last couple of videos have so touched my heart that they made me reevaluate my intentions regarding my license. And you guys have got to understand. Please try to understand. I've been a ham for a long time, man. I'm starting to shake, man. I'm sorry. It's cold out here, and I'm nervous. Because I want to thank you and tell you guys that you have touched me so deeply, man. Okay, back to my thought. I've been a ham longer than some of you have been alive. And never in my 49 years-ish. Blitzy, what's going on, boy? Come on, Blitzy, come on. Never in my 49 years have I had an exchange on the air like what you're going to hear. And I hope you do enjoy this. I'm going to try flipping you around. You want to take a look at your dear old Uncle Blozo? Hang on. Boy, am I shaking. Whoa. Never in my 49 years as a ham have I ever had an exchange like what I had the other day. You'll see. All I wanted him to do was to ID. I'd been sitting there listening for, I don't know, a half hour, 25, 30 minutes. Not once did any of the idiots ID. You form your own opinion about these people, specifically November 0 United Nations. I'm not a big fan of the United Nations. I'm not a big fan of globalism. But I digress. And I better lighten it up. And that's my intention. Instead of letting this blowhard ham N0 UN, instead of letting him chase me off the bands, rather than let him cause me to do something I may regret and would regret, instead I'm just going to have fun with him. I'm going to publicly shame him. His little entourage on the air was maybe 4 or 5 guys. The voice is mine. The power is mine. I'm taking the power back from him. And I'm going to have fun with it. I think you'll laugh. I think you'll enjoy listening to the only time I've ever had such an exchange in my 50 years, in my 90 years as a ham. I've been a ham longer than the earth has been a planet, damn it. And I've never been so insulted in all my life. Okay. Shall we? Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoy the following video. I'll be back tomorrow to wind the UNUN. I promise you. Take care. 73. Bye, guys.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you mean on that set? Yeah. That's right, there was. You see what they, you know what, I had to go away. They never put it on the news what my first meal was, but this Julie Chrisley, you know, the one that's getting, she just got sentenced to 7 years in prison. She was on TV. I didn't see that. Oh yeah, she was on a TV called Chrisley Knows Best. Her and her husband, they got sentenced to prison, and she had to self-report, and now they're reporting on the meals that she's eating. FMC Lexington revealed she can also choose between bean salad, pasta salad, carrots, or prison bread rolls to substitute.
Oh.
Okay. Evidently, they didn't get the bologna in the bag yet.
I never had it that good for the 10 months. Oh, wait. Have you watched Answering Y to the F question? Whoops.
Oh, not fried. Nobody puts the heat on. Ice cold, greasy bologna. Yeah, and it's sick, Rod.
10 fucking months.
It's sick.
Yeah.
I have fried bologna. I mix it in with my eggs. Oh, yeah, that's fucking better than that. You chop it up into small pieces.
I don't care what you eat. ID, damn it. Spent 15, 20 minutes.
So it's a little bit crispy.
Boy, this guy blows smoke. Ah, Jesus. I'm going to shut up. CBer. Chuck.
You know, I bought a 60-pack. It was,
blow smoke.
I had the receipt here, too. Yeah, I go through a lot of eggs here. Holy smoke, I got 7 eggs for the last 3 weeks. Oh, you kidding me? A dozen eggs wouldn't last you 3 days around here.
ID, damn it. Come on.
What'd you say there, Ben? Somebody stepped on you in the van. That audio was bad. Oh, gee. At least you can't even understand them. Well, do you want me to You want me to mimic that, Ben, for you?
No, I tell you what you do. Get his call sign, invite him up, and see if you can help with his audio.
Okay, let me get ready to do it here. Okay.
Your ID?
ID is N0UN. We give it every 10 minutes. Now, what's your ID? Funny how that works.
November 8, November kilowatt. And yeah, just making a YouTube video. Been recording for the last 15-20 minutes and haven't heard anybody ID, so I figured I'd throw it out there. You might want to, boys. What say you for the channel?
Oh, channel. Put on a 19, Buster. Beat it.
Right on. 73, old man.
Beat it. See ya.
See ya.
What a clown.
You're a clown.
He is a general. He's out of his band.
Been an extra class ham since 1990. Licensed since 74.
They think they're all that, and they're nothing but QRMers. They're chumps. They're retards. I don't know what they are.
You just played right into my last video. Thank you very much. Boy, the boys are going to like this. November 8, November kilo. It's been fun, man. Happy New Year, 73.
Beat it.
Woo! What we have here is CB channel. Fill in the blank on the 20-meter band.
The guy yesterday, he comes in and QRMs us.
Woo! How'd you like that one, guys? Yeah, I've been giving it a lot of thought lately. My ham radio license renewal application. I think I'm going to rescind the renewal application. And not because of this nonsense, right? This has been happening since the beginning of ham radio, sadly. It's part of radio fun. But the problem with an amateur radio license in the United States, and this is only a concern of mine in my particular case, because of the 2-part video series I did called Answering Why to the F Question. Well, given all that nonsense in the past, I'm giving the federal government extreme power by the granting of my amateur radio license. And the power I'm giving them, well, it involves our 4th Amendment. It involves my not wanting to have the goons busting my door down in the middle of the night to inspect my station. I'll catch you later. 73.